Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is insert an image directly from Google Images into Google Slides. One way to catch the attention of your audience during a presentation is to include pictures in your slides. Google has made it easy to search for Google Images for stock photos. Let's look at how to insert an image from Google Images. Open an existing presentation or create a new one. For this demonstration, I will create a new presentation. In the menu at the top, click Insert, hover over Images, and click Search the Web. The side panel Search Google Images will appear on the right side of the screen. Type the keywords for your image in the Search Google Images text box. All the images related to your keywords will populate. Click on the image or images that you want to put on the slide and click Insert at the bottom of the panel. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.